Hello everyone, welcome back. It's Civil Guy here, and before we even get started, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of my next uploads. Also, leave a like on this video. I'm going to be sharing a lot of helpful tips. Hopefully, you'll find them useful. So let's go ahead and get started. Today, I just felt like giving back to the smaller creator community here on YouTube. I know it's been roughly a week since all of us were informed that we were either still monetized or demonetized on this platform. Now, in this video, I'm going to explain to you how you can get more views and more watch time by using these simple tools. And I'm not going to say that these tools haven't been announced before in the past by other people, but these are tools that help me personally. I don't know if you could tell, but over the weekend I hit over 200,000 total lifetime views, which is amazing considering just a few months ago I was at 100,000 total views. So you can just easily tell that there's a lot of significant growth happening here on this channel personally, and I am just amazed. And usually it kind of takes a few months for my videos to finally gain some traction. I don't know why. Anyway, number one, I would suggest downloading TubeBuddy. Now, this is not a sponsored video by any means, but this is a powerful program, even with a free license. If you download the plugin on the computer that you have, or if you download the app, they finally just launched an iOS app just a few days ago. It should be released on the Android devices soon. TubeBuddy enables you to look up suggested tags. You can determine which tags work and which ones don't. And this is a very powerful program because you can actually see whether a tag is searched a lot, and if it's not searched a lot, you probably want to avoid it. But if it is searched a lot, but not that many creators are using that term or phrase, considering that it follows in line with whatever content that you're making, then it might be worth using. If you do use tags that do not correlate with your video, then from my understanding, that actually hinders your video from being suggested. Another tool I would suggest you use is some type of picture editing program that enables you to create your own thumbnails. I am totally against using thumbnails that are auto-generated by YouTube. You want to create thumbnails that are clickable, thumbnails that are bright, very vibrant, and also very contrasty. You want them to pop out. I've seen several videos do very well with yellow backgrounds and kind of like a bright fluorescent yellow with a blue, baby blue type background. Those kind of videos with those kind of thumbnails, they get millions of views, surprisingly. And I wouldn't say the thumbnail has to be perfect, but if it catches somebody's eye, chances are it might get clicked on. So try and stay away from boring. Try and create something that pops. And if you have to, look at examples, re-engineer what others are doing so that you can try and get a hang of it yourself. And lastly, this is probably the most important part to all of this, but make sure whatever video you're producing, it's good. I mean, it could be filmed on a phone camera, it could be filmed on a super powerful 4K high definition camera. You need substance. You need to be able to have a message and share it. When you're first starting out, you want to make content that will grab your viewers' attentions and will hold them through the entire video experience. I would suggest, if you do have videos already posted, kind of review what your audience is liking. So if you go to your dashboard and you scroll down to where it says analytics, if you click on that, you should see a little tab that says audience retention. Now, when you click on this, it'll give you some data as far as how many people are sticking through your video. Audience retention is key. It is a crucial factor when trying to get your video suggested in the YouTube algorithm. So the higher percentage you get in terms of the retention rate, the greater chance you have of YouTube pushing your video out into the world for others to see. So I would definitely study your audience retention, look at where the graph spikes, and also look at where it kind of troughs down. See what the high points are and try to duplicate that, replicate that success, and do it over and over and over again. And chances are you might become the next big person on YouTube. I don't know. But I hope these tips are very helpful for you guys. I had a lot of success from a lot of these great creators who have shared their knowledge for free. It's great that there's so many helpful people out here that do care about the smaller communities and that are trying their best. They kind of do give us a reality check, saying that everybody's not going to be able to make it. But if you do really love creating videos, if you have a passion for videos, regardless of the genre, there's an audience out there. Chances are you're going to do very well on YouTube. Just keep at it, stay consistent, and do what you can. thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video. Like I said, I wanted to try and do something a little bit different every single week, just so you guys get a feel for what this channel is capable of doing. If you guys want to see more videos like this, helpful tips, please let me know in the comments down below. Also, I plan on releasing some other videos soon. Might be some more cartoons, so just keep that in mind. Stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next video.